Frohes Neues, German learners! Happy New Year! It's January, and it's the perfect time to get organized. You might know that Germans are famous for being punctual and organized. And Ordnung muss sein. There must be organization. In today's video, we're diving into useful German vocabulary and phrases to help you talk about organizing. Along the way, we'll explore an important grammar topic, which is separable prefix verbs, or trennbare Verben, which are super important when you're learning to talk about organizing in German. Let's look at some general organization words first. Das Chaos, the chaos. Die Sachen, the things. Das Zimmer, the room. Aufräumen, to tidy up. Die Ordnung, the order or tidiness. Die Sauberkeit, the cleanliness. Die Unordnung, the mess. Das Regal, the shelf. Die Schublade, the drawer. Der Kleiderschrank, the wardrobe or the closet. Der Staub, the dust. Der Plan, the plan. Die Liste, the list. Das Ziel, the goal. Die Priorität, the priority. Die Struktur, the structure. Now let's look at some tools and cleaning supplies vocabulary. Der Staubsauger, that's the vacuum cleaner. Das Putztuch, the cleaning cloth. Der Besen, the broom. Die Kehrschaufel, the dustpan. Der Wischmopp, the mop. Der Eimer, the bucket. Das Reinigungsmittel, the cleaning product. Der Müllsack, the trash bag. Die Kiste, the box. Der Wäschekorb, the laundry basket. Now let's look at a few adjectives to describe cleanliness and tidiness. Ordentlich, tidy. Chaotisch, chaotic. Sauber, clean. Schmutzig, dirty. Aufgeräumt, cleaned up. Remember, aufräumen was a verb, and aufgeräumt is the adjective, to clean and cleaned up. Now let's move on to separable prefix verbs for organization. In German, separable prefix verbs, trennbare Verben, are made up of a root verb and a prefix. These prefixes often change the meaning of the verb. In main clauses, you'll move the prefix from the verb to the end of the sentence. For example, ich räume das Regal auf. I'm tidying up the shelf. Let's say you have a subordinate clause. The prefix is going to stay attached to the verb. Ich denke, dass ich das Regal aufräume. I think that I'm tidying up the shelf. Let's say you have a command. The verb stem and the prefix are written separately. For example, räum das Zimmer auf. Tidy up the room. Wirf die alten Sachen weg. Throw the old things away. And in the past tense, the participle is formed with ge between the prefix and the verb root. For example, ich habe das Zimmer aufgeräumt. I tidied up the room. Here we have auf, our ge, geräumt, to make it in past. Ich habe den Kleiderschrank ausgemistet. I decluttered the wardrobe. Again, we have aus, our ge, and mistet, ausgemistet. Let's look at some example sentences with common separable prefix verbs. Aufräumen, to tidy up. Ich räume mein Zimmer auf. I'm tidying up my room. Ausmisten, to declutter. Ich miste meinen Kleiderschrank aus. I'm decluttering my wardrobe. Wegwerfen, to throw away. Ich werfe den Müll weg. I'm throwing out the trash. Umstellen, to rearrange. Ich stelle die Möbel I'm rearranging the furniture. Zusammenlegen, to fold clothes. Ich lege die Wäsche zusammen. I'm folding the laundry. Sauber machen, to clean. Ich mache den Boden sauber. I'm cleaning the floor. Zurückstellen, to put back. Ich stelle den Staubsauger zurück. I'm putting the vacuum cleaner back away. Remember, in main clauses, the prefix goes to the end of the sentence. In subordinate clauses, the prefix stays together, attached to its verb. Let's practice with a few scenarios. Our first one is tidying up your room. Imagine it's the weekend and you've decided to clean and organize your room. Let's do it in German. You might describe the process in the following way. Ich räume heute mein Zimmer auf. Today, I'm tidying up my room. Zuerst mache ich mein Bett. Denn das sieht gleich ordentlicher aus. First, I make my bed, because that immediately makes it look neater. Dann nehme ich alle Kleidung, die auf dem Boden liegt, und lege sie entweder in den Schrank oder in den Wäschekorb. Then I pick up all the clothes lying on the floor and put them either in the wardrobe or in the laundry basket. Danach räume ich den Schreibtisch auf. After that, I tidy up the desk. Ich sortiere die Stifte in eine Schublade und stapel die Bücher ordentlich. I organize the pens into a drawer, die Schublade, and stack the books neatly. Stapeln, to stack. Ich wische den Schreibtisch ab, damit sauber ist. I wipe down the desk to make it clean. Schließlich sauge ich den Boden mit dem Staubsauger. Finally, I vacuum the floor with the vacuum cleaner. Jetzt ist mein Zimmer endlich aufgeräumt. Now my room is finally tidy. Es fühlt sich so viel besser an, in einem ordentlichen Zimmer zu sein. It feels so much better to be in a clean room. Let's look at a second scenario. You're decluttering your closet. You've decided to tackle your closet and get rid of items you no longer need. Here's how you're going to say that in German. Heute miste ich meinen Kleiderschrank aus. Today, I'm decluttering my wardrobe. Zuerst nehme ich alle Kleidungsstücke aus dem Schrank und lege sie auf das Bett. First, I take all the clothes out of the wardrobe and put them on my bed. Dann schaue ich mir jedes Teil genau an und überlege, trage ich das noch? Passt es mir noch? Then I look at each item carefully and think, do I still wear this? Does it still fit me? Die Sachen, die ich behalten möchte, lege ich ordentlich zusammen und stelle sie zurück in den Schrank. The items I want to keep, I fold neatly and put back in the wardrobe. Die Kleidung, die ich nicht mehr brauche, packe ich in eine Kiste für Spenden. The clothes I no longer need, I pack into a box for donations. Ich sortiere auch die Schuhe aus. I also declutter the shoes. Die alten, kaputten Schuhe werfe ich weg. Und die, die noch gut sind, stelle ich ordentlich zurück in den Schrank. The old, worn-out shoes I throw away, and the ones that are still in good condition I place neatly back into the wardrobe. Jetzt ist mein Kleiderschrank viel aufgeräumter und übersichtlicher. Now my wardrobe is much tidier and more organized. Cleaning and rearranging is our third scenario. Sometimes cleaning isn't just about tidying up. It's about making your space feel new by rearranging the furniture. So let's see how we can talk about this in German. Ich habe beschlossen, mein Zimmer neu zu gestalten. I decided to redesign my room. Zuerst stelle ich die Möbel First, I rearrange the furniture. Den Schreibtisch, der bisher an der Wand stand, stelle ich zurück ans Fenster, damit ich mehr Licht habe. The desk, which was previously against the wall. I'm now going to place it back by the window, so that I get more light. Das Regal rücke ich ein bisschen weiter nach rechts, damit mehr Platz für den Sessel ist. I move the shelf a little further to the right to make more space for the armchair. Dann räume ich die Bücher aus dem Regal, wische die Regalboden ab und sortiere die Bücher alphabetisch, bevor ich sie wieder hineinstelle. Then I take the books out of the shelf, wipe down the shelves, and sort the books alphabetically. Before putting them back in, ich stelle auch eine kleine Lampe ins Regal, es gemütlicher zu machen. I also place a small lamp on the shelf to make it cozier. Schließlich sauge ich den Boden und wische ihn feucht, damit alles richtig sauber ist. Finally, I vacuum the floor and mop it to make everything properly clean. Jetzt sieht mein Zimmer nicht nur sauber, sondern auch ganz neu und frisch aus. Now, my room not only looks clean, but it also feels completely new and fresh. Now you've learned all kinds of new vocabulary and phrases to talk about organizing in German. That's it for today's video and vocabulary and separable prefix verb lesson. I hope you feel inspired to tackle your January plans organizing and that you can do it in German now. For free resources, remember to go to mygermanizedlife.com. You can get more lessons, vocabulary lists, free printable flashcards, and all kinds of things you can use to learn German. And don't forget to like and subscribe, German learners. I'll see you next time. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss.